In today's video I will tell you something about me and crypto, also my experiences in crypto, what I like, what I don't like, and also in the end I will tell you something about my fails in crypto, so stay tuned till the end and let's go to the video! What up guys, my name is Phil and welcome into... What is this? Guys, look at this! Look at this! Mr. Holy Bitcoin appeared! So guys, this video is sponsored by Mr. Bitcoin! No, just kidding. But I think when we have Mr. Bitcoin with us today, we can continue to the video. Guys, next thing on my bucket list is cryptocurrencies. So in today's video we will have a look at how I started with crypto, my experiences with crypto, and also, in the end, some of my fails. You know, I was going to programming school, so we were talking about it a lot. We were discussing it also with some teachers, so I knew about it from this point. However, I was young and not experienced, so I didn't invest. I wanted to invest in crypto in 2017 when the bull run started. But I wasn't 18 years old yet, and also I didn't have enough money because I was only like 17 years old. Then after the peak in 2017, media and all my friends and probably all of people stopped talking about Bitcoin because it experienced another bear market and a huge crash from this peak. So then for a few years there was no Bitcoin and nothing about cryptocurrencies. Also guys, as you probably know, in 2020 Corona started. In 2020 there was probably the biggest opportunity of the last year to buy Bitcoin for like $3,000 to $4,000. And guys, you will probably not believe me, but I wanted to buy Bitcoin during this dip. You are saying, yeah, that could tell everybody that they wanted to buy at this time for this price. But guys, I had troubles with my employer. He was not paying me the money which I deserved. So I didn't have a proper amount of money to invest in Bitcoin. As some of you may know, now I have my own business, I have my own video production, so I started to making some money properly, and so I started to invest in Bitcoin. At the first place, obviously, that was the money. I heard about like there are millionaires from Bitcoin and even billionaires from Bitcoin, so I want to be also a millionaire. So I think, okay, I will try it. I started to invest before Christmas, when Bitcoin was something about $27,000 or something like that. I started with smaller amounts and I bought mostly Bitcoin and also a few altcoins like Ethereum, EOS and probably Bitcoin Cash. In the beginning I didn't exactly know what I was doing. I just picked some random altcoins and Bitcoin which I knew from 2017 and just bought them and hold them. Then I started to watch some YouTubers and also Twitter, where there are some useful information about cryptocurrencies, and I started to learn more and more. Guys, and it's really important to learn about crypto when you invest in it, because you can lose a lot of money. I can recommend you some YouTube channels like BitBoy Crypto, Crypto, Carl from the Moon, and for example Iron on the Deck. But as I was falling more and more to the rabbit hole and discovering more and more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as general, I found that I really like the technology which cryptocurrencies are developing and which are capable of. And then I started to buy more and more and more coins and more cryptocurrencies, also some lower cap gems which don't have that high market cap and are really volatile, and I started to go down the list of cryptocurrencies and pick some of the best picks. However, I thought these coins were the best picks. I will tell you also my fails in the end of the video with these small cap coins. So I wanted to buy every possible dip in every crypto. I managed to buy some dips. These were really good buys. However, I also bought some tops. Then I discovered leverage trading, where you can take your Bitcoin and leverage it with, for example, 10x. And when Bitcoins go 10% up, you have now 100% gains. However, if Bitcoin goes down 10%, you lost everything you put in this trade. And now I want to tell you why I started to invest in cryptocurrencies. At first, I want to talk about Bitcoin. I have to say, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy who likes cryptocurrencies and who wants to know more about them. But I am not an expert, I'm not a professional, and I don't know everything. The first fact that I really like is that Bitcoin is not controlled by anybody. Founder Satoshi Nakamoto left the code open and open source, and also no one is controlling Bitcoin. It is its own ecosystem. However, there is a team of developments which are developing new technologies on Bitcoin. They are improving Bitcoin, but there is no one controlling it. There is nothing in Bitcoin like we can print more Bitcoin. No, you cannot do that in Bitcoin. So we are getting to the next thing, because Bitcoin is deflationary in opposite to dollars and classic currencies, which are highly inflationary. Bitcoin is deflationary because there is a limited supply of Bitcoin and there will be no more Bitcoins ever. So, as you can probably tell, when there is less of something, this will probably have a high value, or the value will increase in the future. And the next cryptocurrencies, there is a bunch of them. There is a lot of technologies which are developed on new cryptocurrencies, some altcoins. For example, on Ethereum, you can build decentralized platforms and apps like exchanges or video platforms and so on. And if you like this, we can do a specific video about some cryptocurrencies and some cool apps, for example, like Theta TV. There is also a new trend in crypto, NFTs, and NFTs are also on my bucket list. I want to create and sell my own NFT, and NFTs are, in short, digital art. There will be a separate video on NFTs soon. The whole new area of cryptocurrencies are stablecoins. Stablecoins represent a stable price of some asset, mostly dollars. And for example, the most popular USDT or USD Tether, which is bind to dollar price, can be used on several exchanges, for example, like Binance. Now there are speculations like stablecoins could be new money, new digital money, and also some governments are developing their own stablecoins. However, I think these are not crypto like we know it, because crypto is decentralized, it has no control, and when governments develop their own crypto or their own asset called crypto, they will be controlling it as a normal money, as a normal dollar. So I don't see any difference than that it will be digital. Some experts say that Bitcoin sometimes stabilizes, and the Bitcoin will be new money and new asset of the future. Some people say that Bitcoin is more like digital gold, where you can store your value, and others say that Bitcoin is future money, and in the future we will be paying only with Bitcoin. I'm more on the side that Bitcoin will be some kind of asset, some kind of digital gold, we can say, and probably it will somehow stabilize it, but not like a dollar, for example. And there is a bunch of technologies, for example, like Web 3.0, decentralized applications, However, I'm not really experienced in this and I don't know much about it. I only heard about it, so this is everything what I can tell you about it. Yeah, we are here! You are probably waiting for this, the whole video, my crypto fails. So first let's have a look at leverage trading. I tried leverage trading before and I've watched some videos on leverage trading, I watched some indicators and graphs and I thought that, yeah, that's easy, there's nothing hard on it. So I've tried it, but with really small amount on my account. So if I lost that amount, it will hurt, but only a little bit. And I don't recommend you to try leverage trading. And if you want to try it with small amount, learn on a small amount, and then if you feel comfortable and you already did some gains, then you can move to bigger amounts. So I started trading. I didn't really know what I was doing. I watched some alerts videos and some alerts channels, and so I followed it kinda. And sometimes it worked and I made huge gains, but sometimes it didn't work and I lost a lot. I was just stupidly following some signals and don't use my head, my brain, and I lost money on this. So I lost my whole account on leverage trading, and yeah, this wasn't really good. However, it's still on my bucket list to learn leverage trading, because I think if you manage to know this skill, this will really help you in your life as a freelancer, for example, because you can make money everywhere you are, in every time, and whatever are you doing. Because in leverage trading you can earn money when Bitcoin goes up, but also when Bitcoin goes down. You can bet the Bitcoin is going down, so when Bitcoin goes down, you make money also when Bitcoin is going down. So I think this is a really powerful tool to learn, and I want to learn it in the future, so I'm learning and studying more leverage trading. And my second big fail is buying some random shitcoins. Yeah! You know, I thought like, yeah, I'm in crypto for 2 months, I know everything, I can pick a random coin and it will go up and up and up. Ooh! So I was going down the list and search for these low-cap gems, for these hidden gems, for these top secret altcoins which can do 100x. So at this time Binance coin was pumping like crazy, and all other Binance coins were pumping a lot. So I thought, okay, Berry Data, it's on Binance coin. This sounds interesting. So I bought Berry Data at like, I think $40 or something like that. And where it is now? $8 or something. And my next top secret pick, this was probably my best coin, and also on Binance Smart Chain, Goose Finance. Oh, do you hear that sound? Do you hear that name? That screams for gains. So I bought Goose Finance at like $140 or something like that. And now, where is Goose Finance? Like $40 or something? Good gains, right? However, even with these losses, I still managed to do some gains, and probably my best picks were Ethereum and also Theta. Guys, before the end, I would really appreciate if you want to join my community, if you want to join my way to finish my bucket list, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to join our bucket list group, and share this video with your friends so we can bring more people to our squad. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you liked my way to getting into crypto. Hope I helped someone to get into crypto, for example, and to avoid my mistakes. And yeah, this is it, and see you in the next video. You know, I was going to school. I was going to